Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So basically, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a 3D worm controller. Basically, everything that's not here. Okay, first, we actually want to get our drawing tool. So pen, draw with your sprites. Now, when our green flag is clicked, we want to create a new variable called press to start. Then when green flag clicked, show press to start. Now in our pen we want to set our pen size to 10, and we just want to like erase all of this, and we're gonna delete the caution too. Now we're basically going to put a forever if forever statement. I know this seems goofy. If key hide variable press to start, and we're going to put press to start right here. Pin down, it can be whatever color you'd like. We're going to create a new variable called speed size. This will control our speed and our size. We're going to press move speed size steps. We're going to wait 0.1 seconds. Pin up, point to mouse pointer, pin down, or actually we can do an erase all since we need to erase each frame so it won't draw. And now if we press play and we press start, we can see we have this, but we are not done yet. Because we need to change our speed side. Now as you can see, with every frame our worm actually moves. And I hope you liked the video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and bye.